Before you reveal, but after you have your number, tell me. I have a comment to make. That
You're bluffing all the time?
No. So yeah, we're looking at an odd number less than 10.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm not sure if I understood well the question in Estonian about if it's even or odd.
Was
all right.
A lot harder.
I mean, it's funny because we were speaking the same language.
The same language.
But, I got it wrong.
So the idea that I had is that we can do a game with numbers, and here's how it goes then. So each of us will take turns as a so-called host, and the host will choose a secret number within a range. What the other participants have to do is ask questions. They'll take turns asking questions. And I think maybe 2 or 3 questions will be enough. Let's see. The winner is the person who has most, the closest number.
All right.
Because we might not get to the right number, but the closest one will win. And let's do it in our native languages. So Laura, you ask in Finnish, and we will ask in Estonian.
Oh no, you're gonna be here tomorrow. I'm not be able to adjust, but you guys are gonna ask me.
No. So basically, there are only yes or no questions.
Ah, okay.
Which makes it a lot easier. The most common question, I guess, in Estonian would be, kas see on suurem kui?
Okay.
Or kas see on väiksem kui? We can also skip the kas on see suurem kui. So, and how would you ask in Finnish?
Onko se isompi kuin? Onko se pienempi kuin?
Okay. I think we'll manage.
we'll manage, yeah.
Maybe Mika, you like to be the host first.
All right.
Onko se parillinen numero?
Ei.
Okay.
On se suurem kui 50?
Jaa.
Onko se pienempi kuin 90?
Jaa. On kyllä.
On se suurem kui 70?
On.
Onko se pienempi kuin 80?
Jaa.
Oho.
Kas se on väiksem kui 75?
Ei.
Oho. Narrowing down. I want to guess already. It's okay.
Yeah. So you have a 20% chance roughly.
Okay, I'll write down my answer then.
Wait. It hasn't. Okay, I will go for this.
Okay.
What? I was surprised that then I went for this. 77 was the second guess. Was no, it cannot be that. So I went for 79.
Yeah, I didn't count how many questions we asked, so it seems that it took much more than 3. So, but it's okay. Okay, we can do as many as we need to.
Or should we cap it at 3? Then it'll be more otherwise it's yeah. Or maybe it's more chance based then. But
let's try 4, maybe.
Okay.
Let's try 4, and then we'll see.
Okay.
Sounds good.
So Laura, you can be the next one.
On se suurem kui 50?
Ei.
On se väiksem kui 30?
On.
On se suurem kui 15?
Ei.
On se suurem kui 10?
Ei.
So we had 2 questions so far, right?
I
2
think
and
so.
2, so in total 4. So I don't know if you want to try to guess or do you want to ask more?
Let's do 2 more maybe. Then still per person. Let's see how it goes maybe.
Okei.
Kas see on paaritu arv?
Joo.
So yeah, we're looking at an odd number less than 10.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm not sure if I understood well the question in Estonian about if it's even or odd, but
Kas see on väiksem kui 3?
yeah.
Okay.
We can all show the number at the same time.
Okay. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, what? Oh.
I guess I misunderstood the Mika's question about is it even or odd.
I think the some more advanced words in it are like making it more fun, to be honest.
Yeah.
Like you said, you asked about the even number, right? Like paarilinen, I guess.
I don't even recall anymore.
Like that, but like paarilinen means even, right?
Parillinen, yeah.
Paarilinen, okay, yeah.
Okay, and in Estonian, paaritu is non-even.
Okay, we can make it even more fun. Like, can I divide it by 2 and it will be, even number or something? Or okay, I don't know if it's gonna be too advanced. I'm a humanist myself, so I don't know about you guys.
Yeah.
But that would be good. That could be fun, though. I don't know.
Yeah, well, let's actually. Yeah, no, that's actually like I'm just going like at it like very very pragmatically, but actually let's just like. If like we misunderstand it, we misunderstand it.
Sure, let's do that.
Fun, right?
So kind of all questions are okay. Then
kas see on väiksem kui 50?
Jah.
Jos mä jaan sen 2, niin onko tulos parillinen?
Ei. I guess I'm just guessing if I understand the question correctly.
Yeah. Let's not say anything.
I think A is the answer.
Kas see on väiksem kui 25?
Ei. Ei ole väiksem.
Onko se suurempi luku kuin 40?
Ei.
Kas see arv jagub 3-ga?
Ei.
Okay.
Voinko mä jakaa sen 5? Niin, että siitä ei tule niin kuin jotakin pilkku 0,0000 jotain.
Jah. 0 seal taga igatahes ei ole. Komakoha taga.
Now I mixed my notes because I was making notes like what it is, like in 2 columns, and now I mixed the columns up.
Kas see arv on suurem kui 33?
Jah.
Okei. Onko se vähemmän kuin 38?
Jah.
Okay, I have my number.
I'm bit okay. I don't know. Okay, I will choose this one. It's gonna be the other one I was thinking, but we'll see about it. No, it's not this. Okay, I have it. Yeah!
Oh, okay. I thought like it was divisible by 5.
I thought it wasn't.
It would be like,
okay.
I think it's like, what is it? 7.4.
I need to make better notes. I can show the notes I made during this thing, so these notes are not very useful.
That was
all right.
A lot harder.
I mean, it's funny because like we were speaking the same language. Like yeah. I got it wrong.
Kas se on suurem kui 90?
Ei.
Onko se suurempi luku kuin 50?
Ei.
Kas se on väiksem kui 40?
Ei.
Voinko mä jakaa sen 5?
Jah.
Yes.
Kas se on suurem kui 30?
Jah.
Onko se vähemmän kuin 46?
Ei.
Kas see on väiksem kui 41?
Ei.
Onko se enemmän kuin 43?
Jaa.
Kas see on väiksem kui 46?
Ei.
I've been writing these arrows here up and down. I'm not sure anymore which is the latest notes. I should have maybe crossed out when I reach the new potential number.
Yeah. Before you reveal, but after you have your number, tell me. I have a comment to make. That
You were bluffing all the time?
No, it's just that it was a number that I very precisely went by the terms. So if you let's actually reread it, then I can.
Okay.
What did you guys have?
I didn't write down anything yet because I'm a little bit confused.
Me too.
Be real.
Mm-hmm.
Because as I understood it
divisible, I think.
Yeah, it's with 5,
And he said no.
Yes, yeah, I think that was one of the questions. Yeah, and it is divisible by 5.
Okay.
Should we guess?
Okay, I'll write something down.
I thought this was gonna be easy. I was like, why would we do this? Okay, now I get it. This is actually very difficult.
Too, but it's not. I think I wrote down something wrong, but okay.
All right. 3, 2, 1. Yeah. 45. All right. It was actually 50.
Oh.
Because at the beginning, or I think it was the second question maybe from Laura, that is it larger than 50? And I said no.
Oh.
So it is 50.
Yeah.
So I went
because you couldn't say that it. Yeah, you couldn't say that it's smaller or bigger. Yeah. Okay.
Is it equal or larger or equal? Then So getting back to some school arithmetics here. But
we both had the same number.
Yeah.
So
progresso.
Yeah. So you guys were actually on the same track.
Kas see on suurem kui 50?
Ei.
Kas see jagub 5-ga?
Joo.
Kas see on suurem kui 40?
Ei.
Kas see on väiksem kui 21?
Joo.
Kas see on väiksem kui 16?
Ei. You know it already?
I have the number actually.
Yeah, I just want to say that I think we have the number.
Okay.
But I'll ask one more question.
Okay.
If it's okay.
Cool.
Sure.
Kas see on suurem kui 19?
Joo.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, it's everyone.
I wanted to go for 19, but then I thought you're going to ask me some weird questions. Can I divide it with this? I was like, what if I don't know? Just, I don't know why, but whenever the camera is on, I was like, I have to answer fast, and then I just come up with something random. So this is one of those moments. So.
Yeah, math and stage fright is real.
Yeah.
It's very easy to mess up basic maths, especially on camera.
Yeah.
Kas see arv jagub 5-ga?
Ei.
Onko se pienempi numero kuin 61?
Ei. Kas see on suurem kui 80?
Jah.
Onko se parillinen numero?
Jah.
Kas see arv jagub 3-ga?
Ei.
Onko se vähemmän kuin 98?
Jah.
On see suurem kui 89?
Ei.
that narrowed it quite nicely down. Onko se pienempi luku kuin 84?
Ei. Pienempi. You asked pienempi, right?
Smaller.
Ei.
Okay.
Kas se on väiksem kui 87?
Ei.
What? Okay, it's completely different than I thought.
Okay, I have my number.
Okay, me too. And thanks for the last question.
Yeah.
Okay,
I
nice.
was gonna go for before this. Okay, no, I cannot even show it. I was gonna go for 84, but then thank you, Mikkel, for the last clarifying question.
Yeah, I figured that like if it was going to be either I think 84, 86, or 88, and like there was no way to like smaller than 87, then we both would have had like a 50-50 chance. But you narrowed it down pretty nicely.
The numbers are really similar in Finnish and Estonian, you know, and actually the idea to do something like this came from Viking Line. Actually, I saw that the like how do you say, like Lotto or
Lotto.
like the yeah, they do it in like either of the languages, and everybody, like for children, like everybody understands, and like
Okay.
that's why I thought that it would be interesting to see like if we could communicate. But yeah,
I not often in Helsinki, but when I was there and I needed to ask the bus driver if this which bus goes here and there, and I think the driver was Estonian because he was using Finnish, but the numbers were in Estonian, and I was like, whoa, like, you know, mix up of languages, and I was like, of course I understood, but it was like very fascinating situation that, you know, he was just speaking his own language to me.
Yeah.
But I've like seen that some younger Finnish like they say numbers very similar to Estonian. Like
I
they
guess the
skip
spoken language, it's similar,
Yeah.
At this
Like,
in Helsinki, I think.
I think the spoken language like 5, 6, you know, 5, 6, you know, take the ending out and stuff like that. So
Yeah.
Yeah, it's fascinating.
Also, like what was like in our questions, like I kept hearing the word like luku inside of it. Like, that was quite interesting. Yeah.
Numero is number, but luku is, I think, like more mathematical way to say number.
Okay, all right. Very curious, because like luku in Estonian means story.
Oh, okay.
so I was like, how that ended up there. Okay, so yeah, like I guess in Estonian, like we also have like number being number, but like the other word for to say it is arv.
Oh.
Yeah. So
we also have arvo. Right.
Arvo. Okay. Also meaning number.
Like the yes, like in this context, you can use it like as a number. I hope I'm correct.
If I remember correctly from like old school times, then like I don't know about you, Carl, but like my teacher taught me that like number is like if you want to speak correct, then like 1 to 10, I think, or 1 to 9 is a number, and after that you actually say arv. So like yeah, like arv is about like more than 10, I guess, but like just don't quote me on this, but it's just something that like I had in my head about it. Like, but like how about in Finnish, like is it usually numero, or like when you want to like talk about numbers?
Yeah.
Okay.
I thought it was gonna be easier, but then it was kind of, you needed to kind of remember like these mathematical things, and as well like pay attention to the language. Sometimes I was like, you know, going through the Estonian questions in my head, like, did I really understood correctly? And then it took me like a couple of seconds to answer because I was kind of analyzing the questions too long.
Yeah, it was like the double thing, that you have to like pay attention to.
Also when you get asked a question first in one language and then in another language, but like that was a quite
like the switching,
yeah. but like to be honest, there wasn't too much to switch.
Yeah.
Or like especially in the simpler cases. Like if you just remember, like I think like Isom B and BNMP. Sorry if I butchered that.